The Seven Sorrows of Mary, actually, ang piyesa po natin on September 15, after September 8, 1 week after is Our Lady of Sorrows. Ano ba yung Seven Sorrows? Kasi merong isang kind of tradition, when you say, a sword shall pierce your heart, makita po tayo ng mga imahe ng Blessed Mother with 7 swords in her heart. Kasi binilangan daw yan. The first sorrow was the prophecy of Simeon, your son, this little child of 40 days lang po, on the day of the presentation in the temple, sabi niya, this child that will be circumcised will also experience the pain of contradiction. So yun ang first. Ang second po, well, the child was visited by the Magi, and that very night, they had to flee to Egypt. So, naki Matthew's Gospel tayo. And the third sorrow is all about this child who was lost, but then found. Again, the Gospel of Luke. Ano po yung 4 na sorrows after these 3? Lahat po yan makikita sa ating traditional Stations of the Cross. The 4th station of the Stations of the Cross is the Blessed Mother meets her son Jesus while he was carrying his cross to Mount Calvary. Sabi nila, wala naman yan sa Gospel. Pero the 7th station said that there were women following Jesus as he moves to Calvary. And it was Jesus who said, "Don't weep for me, but weep for yourselves." Nasasabi yun eh. Baka already on the 4th station, sinabi sa nanay niya, "Nay, mas nahihirapan po ako pag ikaw ay kasama ko. Payagan mo na lang tahakin ko ito na mag-isa." And of course, the Blessed Mother listened for it for a while, but then still found time to follow him. And ano yung other 3 sorrows of Mary? Ano po? 12th station, Jesus crucified dies on the cross. 13th station, Jesus is laid down from the cross. The famous scene of the La Pietà of Michelangelo. And finally, the 14th station, the burial of Jesus inside the tomb. Pero I'd like to give you a particular. Pumunta po kayo sa Holy Land, sa Golgotha today. You will see those stations of the cross. The crucifixion in the center of that mound. Then you go down to the 13th on a slab. And of course, you go to the sepulcher, the 14th station. But before the 12th po, meron dong beautiful image of the Blessed Virgin on the pillar. At naroon po ang image of Mary with the 7 swords piercing her heart. Gusto niyo po ng isang last detail? Alam niyo, bakit pati si Jose hindi pinayagan ng Panginoon makiisa sa suffering ng Blessed Mother with her son? Alam niyo bakit? Kasi sinabi ni Simeon, si Mary lang naman eh. It's only to her that a sword will pierce her heart. So malalim po ang pinagdaanan ng mahal na Birhen. Balo na siya, eto pa. Ang kaisa-isang anak niya at 33, mawalan ng buhay. At anong klaseng kamatayan? Mga kapatid, yung 7 sorrows, mawala ang anak mo, nagwawala ang anak mo, lilikas kayo, magma-migration kayo, migrante kayo. Kasi may threat. Hindi nyo ngayon threat siguro ng buhay. Threat ng flooding ng inyong bayan. Just imagine Bulacan. Just imagine some places of our country nakalubog na permanente. People have to leave their homes. Those are many sorrows. Lalo na ang kamatayan ng isang anak na batang-bata. The Blessed Mother, you can look at her and she will be there to be with you and say, "I am here. Do not be afraid. Kasama niyo ako. Napagdaanan ko yan. Naniwala ako. Ang Diyos ay may pamamahala. Sinabi ko, bathala na."